And there's this particular cake that I'm obsessed with in London from a cafe, Lepo. It's a milk cake.
So as soon as I heard Alia Bhatt talk about the milk cake from Leto Cafe, I had to go and try it out myself, especially because I absolutely love tres leches cake. So as soon as I went in Leto Cafe, I was surrounded with a variety of desserts from macarons to meringues, tiramisu, milk relay, tarts and cakes. It was such a beautiful moment. So after analyzing different desserts, I came to a conclusion that the most popular desserts here are the original milk cake, the saffron and dulce de leche milk cake, the pistachio and rose cake, and the hazelnut tiramisu. The prices might be a bit too high, but to be honest, the quality is so good that it's well worth it. So here is my pistachio and rose cake. So here we have 4 layers of delicious pistachio cake, sandwiched and layered with a really nice cream that's not very sweet. It's like a mascarpone cream and it has some rose jam inside. And this is Alia Bhatt's famous cake, the milk cake. It's soaked with condensed milk, evaporated milk and regular milk, and it's topped with whipped cream. It's so spongy, so amazing. It's like rasmalai. This is one of my favorite cakes I ever had, the pistachio and rose cake. It tastes so good. This is the saffron and dulce de leche cake, milk cake, and it tastes exactly like rasmalai. Well, close to rasmalai. It's so delicious. If you like Indian dessert and rasmalai, you guys have to try it. It's just so delicious. It's not too sweet and perfect. This is such an amazing place to go to if you're in London, guys. They have a variety of desserts, cakes, tarts, cheesecakes. You guys need to come here. So just few minutes away from Leto Cafe is Chinatown. Now Chinatown is really famous in London. It's surrounded and covered in Chinese shops, and you will find Chinese buffet places like this. So basically there are 2 options. You take away a buffet and that's £8, or you sit in the shop and have unlimited buffet for £15. So we decided to take it home because we were in a rush, and they had so much variety, full of flavor. They tasted so fresh. You basically get everything Chinese here, from noodles to tempura to prawns, eggs, potatoes, everything, chicken, everything.
Lady that I love, she's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a